Hi, my name is Jim Rash. I'm Executive Vice President of Operations for Peterson Manufacturing. This company has totally been built on its people. We encourage our people with fair expectations. We give them the information, we give them the tools and the best equipment to help them be successful. We've been very fortunate to have great customers, great people, and that relationship has fueled our growth. We're transitioning in more of a market of heavy-duty markets, middle-duty markets, and in turn our people are fully supportive of that. We encourage growth in our people. We've had promotions. I felt that pain when I've lost good people, but at the same time been happy to see them move up within the company. It's just a great company to work for. 95% of my work experience has been with two privately held companies. Almost 35 years with Peterson Manufacturing. I'm sure you'll hear that over and over again, that culture that is prevalent throughout our organization. We look forward to more growth, and with the support of our people and those efforts, we can't help but be successful.